everyone, my name is Priya and I'm a PhD student at the Edinburgh Cancer Research Centre. That's where we are at the moment. And today I'm going to talk to you about my PhD project. I'm working in the lab of Juan Carlos Acosta and we work on a concept called cellular senescence. Let me try and tell you about my work in about 3 minutes. So, cancer is smart, right? It turns our own bodies against us, taking the very mechanism of cell division which we need for our growth and repair, and forming unsightly tumours that eventually go on to destroy our organs. But the body is smart too. In fact, if your cell was unfortunate enough to get a mutation in a gene that controls the division of your cells, then that cell will start to divide rapidly. In fact, so fast that the division of the DNA just can't keep up. The DNA will send out signals to the cell to slam on the emergency brakes. Those emergency brakes are called senescence. Senescent cells are big active cells, but they cannot divide. What they can do is make the cells around them senescent too. Tumor formation has stopped. It's like senescence is our body's own mechanism against the development of cancer. But clearly, with cancer as prevalent as it is, those emergency brakes can be too easily released. But can we create a therapy that can put those brakes back on cancer? That's the question scientists are now asking. But in order to do this, we need to know right down to the molecular level how senescence is being controlled. So, in order to do this, I screened over 1,000 proteins, removing them individually from the senescent cells and adding a chemical dye that tells me if those cells have started growing again or not. Now, if all I had was a basic microscope, that would be my entire PhD right there. Thankfully, we have an automated microscope that can not only take all the pictures, but it can count the growing cells too. In this way, I have discovered about 30 proteins that might be important for senescence. So the protein that I'm really interested in are called the toll-like receptors. These proteins are very well known for protecting us against bacterial and viral infections, but now I think they protect us against cancer too. And in this way, by discovering new regulators of senescence and finding out how it's controlled, we might be able to put the brakes back on cancer. Thank you for listening and hope to see you again soon.